So I'm out here to the skate park. I still can't skate because my toe's broken, but I came to check on these wineberries. Maybe a little bit late. Probably should have been here like a week ago, but we'll see. You can come with me. Oh yeah, there's still plenty. Birds got to quite a few of them, but we'll be all right. They're all back in there. There's some sassafras. Some black walnut. But yeah, no sense in having you watch while I pick them, so I guess that's about it. Check this guy out right in front of my face. Yeah, some of the better ones were out of my reach, but I found a hole into the woods, so I'm doing all right. I'll probably fill it up here pretty quickly. Glad I had a container in the car. I hadn't planned to stop here. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, not bad. Probably could have got more, but mosquitoes were tearing me up. There's poison ivy back there, and yeah, I'm wearing shorts. So I wasn't trying to get too deep in there, but this is what I got. About the same as I did last time. Not from here, but from the other spot. That one's got some mold. But yeah, that's about it.